How to find draft post on Facebook. Open Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Then at the top you will see what's on your mind. Tap on it and simply try creating any post here. Once you have done that without any posting, you simply need to come back with this back button and then you will see the option to save as draft. You will receive a notification with your draft, so save as draft. Once done, you need to scroll your notification panel and as you can see your draft has been saved. So tap on this notification and then you will see all your draft posts on this page. If you would like to make any changes, you can simply open it and make changes and post this post. Otherwise, if you want to delete, you can tap on three dots and tap on discard draft. If you don't do it also, the draft will be discarded after 3 days automatically. So in this way, you can easily find the draft posts on Facebook app. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.